Season 3.
Who let the dogs out?
Right, ready? Season 3, episode 12 is a wrap. It's done. And here we are in the season review. And wow, 36 weeks of filming. 2-week break where we do the reviews like this. This is our third one. We've opened the doors. We've let you come in. And yeah, what a great season this was. We had purchases, renovations, trip to Ireland, black tie event, office drama, new people, old people are not here with us anymore, loads of insert Gershes, insert Gersh all over the screen, everywhere. But next season, no more insert Gersh because, no, I'm joking, Gersh. We will be inserting you as we do. And when we have the next black tie events, we'll have a whole new picture to put in of you. But no, what a great season. So many new Property Circle members. No more masterclasses, which since I said there's no more masterclasses, everybody now wants more masterclasses. It makes no sense to me. But yeah, no more masterclasses or online education. We built the wall. All of this is something that we did. Very proud. Me and Isabella are very, very, very thankful for all of your support. You're helping the channel grow. You're helping the Property Circle grow. And hopefully we're adding a lot of value to people's lives. We're inspiring, we're motivating, and we're just making the world a better place, basically. So we thank you for all of your support, and I really look forward to season 4. This season, we purchased some properties. I think you guys got to see about 6 of them, but we actually purchased 13 properties this season. We just didn't get to show you everything because sometimes we don't have time to get up to the property when the keys are being collected because we need work starting, we have to get them turned around because this is a business at the end of the day. But one of the properties you saw was Broadstone Avenue, great property. We purchased it in Warsaw and works are actually commencing on Monday, so the day after this video, guys. And in season 4, you will see a lot more of it. Weekly gang, new house day, should have been Friday. But hey ho, you can't have everything that you want. We're here, great house, very happy. Another one to the collection and can't wait to get started on this one. It's going to be really cool. That one just sold for 337,000. So it's two doors down from ours, and I think we will get, throwing it out there now, 350 plus. Remember I said that. Another property that we bought in season 3, guys, was Litchfield Road. Purchased it for 190,000. When you come back in season 4, we will have the keys, and hopefully I'll get to show you around that one because it's local.
I'd like to buy it. So I don't know how you want to do it. Can we do it now? Can we tie something up now together? Do we?
Can we just get out?
Whatever you want to do, Lee, you tell me. Hey mate, love the house. Really want the house. Is there something we can shake? Is there something we can?
It's now gone up to 300.
Still a businessman, got to figure it out. Can we come up with something now where we can agree potentially? I mean, I can send everything over to Lee this afternoon. He knows who we are anyway.
Tell me what you want to pay.
I want to pay 190. That's what I want to pay in this market today. I'll be completely honest with you. They was telling me 185 a couple of months ago.
And when can you?
I could probably get it tied up within 28 days if I'm honest with you. But would you be happy with that?
Yeah, do that and I'll just phone and tell our kid.
He'll
Yeah.
be just happy, he'll be like that, just deal with it, Warren.
Well, we'll send you over all the information, so proof of funds and everything and all that kind of stuff. But thank you.
Alright.
I really appreciate it. Deal's done. Shook the owner's hand. Offered 190. I wanted to pay 185. They wanted 200. So instead of going backwards and forwards and making it more complicated, I just said 190. It's done. We'll buy it. It's local, so I'm happy. Good day.
Property number 3 was the educational house that we purchased in Preston. Guys, if you've been looking at the socials and you're on Facebook, you will see the dramas that we're having with the locals around there. But hopefully, all of the locals now understand what we're going to do. We've approached it in the correct manner, which is be nice, be kind. And hopefully it's all dissolved now. Everyone's happy. Work starts there on Monday as well, so a day after this video. And I'll have a massive update on that. That is going to be implemented in season 4 a hell of a lot because that is something that I want to walk through with you guys explain how it's happened, why we've done it, and how we've brought so many people together.
We paid 285,000 for it. Renovation's going to be about 120 to 150,000.
Come back every week because this house is not going to look nothing like it looks now. I'm presuming none of the rooms are going to stay where they are. There's a double-story extension that we're trying to get done. Yeah, this house is going to transform into something sensational. And then another property was one of 3 churches that we purchased during season 3. We showed you one of them, the one in Kidderminster, because the other 2, there's certain reasons we can't show you at the moment, but I will try and explain that in season 4 if I'm allowed to. But we have to keep them ones off social media just for now until we get the green light from the planning officer, basically. And the church that we bought in Kidderminster is actually 2 buildings. It's not one, and it's huge, massive potential. We can create a little world there, basically. And there's a lot of red tape. It's a grade 2 listed building. There's a conservation officer we have to deal with, the planners we have to deal with, the council we have to keep happy, the locals we have to keep happy. So there's a lot of stuff that goes in with that church that we will walk you through, talk you through, and show you the step-by-step process of that, basically.
All in agreement, as in me and Isabella are in agreement. We're putting the offer forward right now. Yeah, we're going to get it, another one. So I'm happy with this one. If we can get permission to do what I want to do to the 2 buildings, then there's really good profit in this.
You saw tons of refurbs, guys. You saw what we do. You've watched us with the builders. You've been around. You understand how it works. But in season 4, way more education on the weeklies. I'm going to give you more of a breakdown of builders' costs. I'm going to give you more insight in how we speak to builders. I'm actually going to say to Phil, can he record loads more where we're having conversations with the contractors, and I might even take you into one of our solicitors as well to have a conversation with them. But season 4, we've got so much more that we want to put into the content. So like I said, we purchased 13 properties in season 3. Hopefully in season 4, I can show you more of them. And I tried to implement a little bit more this season for you guys. I took you to my house. I showed you more of our personal life. Maybe in season 4, we can divulge even more into that and show you a lot more of what we do. And yeah, I'm excited. And also, guys, I have a new car coming in season 4. So when I get back off holiday, I'm collecting a new car, and I have gone away from what I'm usually used to. And we're still waiting for the Land Rover as well, guys. Can you insert this Land Rover? Guy Salmon in Coventry. I'm still waiting, guys. Waiting for the car. You keep telling me it's being built, and I have no collection date. So yeah, exciting. Season 3 also saw the start of Team 11. Now, we have a company called Team 11 Developments. We have lots of companies around the 11, which is our number. You know that. The number plate on my car is 11. And 11 means a massive thing to us. To me and Isabella, it's a very, very important part of our lives. And Team 11 is a give back as well as developments. So we have a Team 11 merch that we put out once a month, and from all the money that comes in, we go back and give it out. This is something that we didn't really heavily push in season 3. So in season 4, I will give you a complete breakdown of how it works and show you loads more that we do with the money from the merch that we get with the community around us.
Tomorrow at 12:30 here, we will be giving away some trainers, tracksuits, all sorts of things from the money that was the Be Nice, Be Kind stuff.
Black tie event, our second one at the Grand Hotel in Birmingham, was awesome. It was probably the best thing I've ever seen in a property networking event ever. I've never seen anything like it. We brought all those people together in a room. The stage talkers was absolutely incredible. They were phenomenal. The people that was there, the first one was incredible. The second one was incredible. Our third one is going to be just ridiculous. We're actually going out of our comfort zone. We're not doing it in Birmingham. We're going to Manchester. And I hope you guys all book your tickets and get there, because if you're in property, you need to be at the Property Circle networking event, Stage Talk. We also went international, guys. We went to Ireland and we was approached by somebody who wanted us to help them with their property. That is still going. We have legals going on. We have bits and pieces that we've got to tie up to make sure it's all down on paper so nothing can go wrong, because the way that we're doing this strategy is a little bit different from the way we do other strategies. So everything has to be watertight, and our solicitors at the moment are going through it. So hopefully in season 4, we will be back in Duna's homeland and showing you guys what we do with this property. In the property now that we have come all the way to Ireland to view, great house, great property, huge potential, lots of legislations and different laws and certain things that I need to improve my knowledge on. I need to contact a solicitor, someone in Dublin who will help the situation. But yeah, everything seems to be going okay. So much has happened this season that I actually don't have enough time to run through absolutely everything. So I'm just going to spit a few things out to you guys. The property sourcing division is becoming the biggest in the UK, the most successful in the UK, and that comes from people who we've sourced houses for. So, you know, best form of marketing is word of mouth. So we're absolutely flying on the sourcing side of things. There was a return of the podcast, Steve's Corner. That has absolutely gone down a treat. Thank you to all the guests that have came on. Loads more that we have, and I'm excited to expand the podcast. We had the 30 questions. Now, that was a bit of a slow burner. The views on the 30 questions wasn't growing as quick as our other things that we do on the channel, but the insight that you get into the people in the property world is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to keep doing the 30 questions, and hopefully it grows into what I know it can be. We had the mentoring, which is something that me and Isabella do on a very, very, very small scale. We handpick who we want to mentor, and we appreciate everybody that messages us, but mentoring is not for everybody. So the people that we have around us, thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and hopefully we can show you more of the mentoring in season 4. I introduced Steve's Cam, which again went down an absolute treat. Everybody loves Steve's Cam, and that is something that I want to implement more in season 4. I want to show you more of my personal life, more of stuff that I do outside the office, outside of renovations, how I manage different sections of the business, how I keep on top of everything. And yeah, I need to show you more of what I do outside of the office and the renovations. Also this season, guys, when there's a camera present, you know people make mistakes and you know people do stupid things. So sit back and have a look at these.
So cool.
Yeah.
Warning. The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Yeah, pretty decent. So you know what I would do in this situation? Yeah. Come at me like you just did without the camera and stuff. Like show me what you did to me. Yeah, go on. Yeah. He'd do all that shit. Yeah. I'd just whack! Full force in his nuts. Well, guess what? And he'd be in trouble.
Lil does a weekly note, I wear groin guard everywhere I go.
Yeah. He protects his nuts all the time. All the time. He literally walks around like this. Like Michael Jackson.
Big man.
Yeah.
Big man.
Yeah.
Big man. Big man. Bang. Get the door.
Box.
listen, I just get that light out, yeah, and I just, bam! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Out of everything you could have done, why would you do that?
What happened?
I punched the camera because he pushed it at me. Did his little, what is it? Oh, how'd you do it? How'd you do the Michael Jackson flip? What did you, what was that?
Yeah, you know what it is. Yeah, you know what it is.
Well, they're the numbers on the sheet.
Ain't no deals in there, mate.
Yo, that's radical, dude. Yo, yeah.
So there you have it, guys. Wrap of season 3, and consistency is key, like I always say. But without the team behind the camera, you guys wouldn't be seeing this. So massive, massive, massive shout out to the guys who make this happen. And without them, we don't know where the YouTube channel would be. They have brought the vision to life. So yeah, huge thank you to the guys behind the cameras. And yeah, season 4, I can't wait to show you guys what we're up to, what we're doing. Like I said, more insight into our personal lives as well. And hopefully inspiring you guys, and definitely motivating the next generation, and showing people that hard work, consistency, practice what you preach can actually bring you whatever you want and take you to wherever you want to go. So guys, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in season 4.